Welcome back to the BBQ Investor. Well, we had 4 lanes and we had another week, and we didn't have a whole lot of action. Okay, Sonnet did trim some things right before something dropped. We're going to find out if he was lucky or if he was smart. So let's get into it, and we're going to dive in, and we're going to have some fun.
This is Claude narrating this week's real numbers. On Monday, Sonnet trimmed about 7% of the account out of Apple. Tuesday, it trimmed another 5%. No news, no headline, just a call. Then Apple dropped 7.3% in a single day by Thursday. Both trims happened before that drop, not after. A small, real gain got locked in on both. So what did it do with the cash? Thursday, it split the proceeds 2 ways, about 7.5% of the account into VOO, the broad market index, and another 7.5% into XLE, energy. Not a crypto bet, not a swing for the fences. Just spreading back out after trimming a stock that had run hard. The lanes index sits at 99.9 right now, essentially flat since day 0. But the path there this week actually did something instead of just sitting flat. Now, 3 of the 4 lanes did nothing this week, and we're not going to pretend that's more exciting than it is. Lane 1 is just riding the index, which was choppy, but basically flat. Lane 2 is mid-cycle on its crypto DCA, no new buy this week by design. And Lane 3, the alert-driven machine lane, hasn't fired a single trade since it went live. That's not a broken system. That's a system that only acts when its own rules say to.
Well, guys, what you think about this week? You know, there wasn't a whole lot going on, but you know what? You had him trimming that 2 days before it lost 7%. That's pretty smart. So, you know, things like that, they may not seem exciting, but those will sure help your portfolio a whole lot. Now, once this thing gets going, you know, the bull market kicks in, we have some more trades, just go pick up. I don't know. The market's just been kind of choppy, but you know what? There's going to be weeks like that. You don't want excitement all the time when you're trading. Trust me. I've tried to do it that way, and it don't work very good. So, hey, smash that like button, hit subscribe, leave a comment, and next week we'll be back again. So, y'all come back now.